Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time since my last video, but I'm really happy to be back today. So in today's video, we're making my creamy Oreo cheesecake, rich, smooth, and full of Oreo flavor. So let's get started. First, we'll start with the base. So here you'll need 250 grams of biscuits. I used Oreo, but you can use any chocolate cookies you like, and 125 grams of melted butter. Crush the biscuits really well, mix them with the melted butter, and press the mixture into your cake pan. Then put it in the fridge while we prepare the filling. Now for the best part, the cheesecake filling. So in a large bowl, add 1600 grams of cream cheese, 15 grams of powdered sugar, and mix until smooth. Then add 300 milliliters of sweet creams or heavy cream and keep mixing until it becomes creamy and fluffy. Finally, fold in 100 grams of crushed Oreo biscuits. Don't overmix because we want some crunchy bites inside. Now pour the filling over the biscuit base. Smooth out the top and refrigerate it for at least 5 to 6 hours, or overnight if you want it extra firm and creamy. Now, once the cheesecake is set, it's time to decorate. So, for the topping, melt 200 grams of milk chocolate with 100 milliliters of sweet cream. Pour that silky chocolate ganache over the cheesecake and spread it evenly. You can add some extra Oreo pieces on the top to make it look even more tempting. And there you go. Your perfect Oreo cheesecake is creamy, rich, and honestly, it tastes like heaven. If you try this recipe, let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.